Sho bafethu nginiphathele i-update ngoZachmovic bafethu kanye no-Ighodaro. Sho bafethu uZax lo mawaka-subscribe bafethu epage ngicela usubscribe bafethu Mzansi Football Zone ngicela usubscribe mfethu uzame ukunyusa ipage. Sho bafethu singamoshi nje isikhathi sihlale phe kwendaba. uZachmovic bafethu i-striker lesi bedlala i-TS Galaxy njengamanje si-free agent. Yabo ushilo bafethu i-statement ukuthi yena kune-team em-approachile. Yabo le team em-approachile engazathi akavumelananga nayo ngama-terms bafethu engathi benganelisekile. Leyo team leyo ayikho kulama team amakhulu. Akusiyo i-Pirates, akusiyo i-Kaizer Chiefs, akusiyo i-Sundowns. Yabo akazange kalisho igama le-team. Kodwa yena uthi he's open to play for i-Kaizer Chiefs, to play for the big teams. Uthi he's open and njengamanje ayikho i-team enkulu esafikile kuyena yazom-offerisha anything. Which is confusing bafethu, which is confusing because we really need a striker bafethu like this player bafethu. I don't understand if sakwazi bafethu ukusayina uMorris bafethu umuntu wayeno 3 goals wayeno 3 goals mangaphosisi stats akhe angisasikhumbuli. Wayeno 3 goals kwisizini yonke. Yabo sizoyeka umuntu mfethu onamagoli awu12 mfethu playing for i-TS Galaxy. Yabo it's not ukuthi i-Galaxy ngiyayidelela nayo ngiyayino ukuthi i-team entswembu but playing for i-TS Galaxy unamagoli awu12 and right now i-Kaizer is leaping on him. And uyazi-offerisha mfethu uyasho ukuthi yena he's open. Yabo uzothi mase kufikile i-team isimthathile sesiyacomplaina futhi. Yabo as Kaizer Chiefs while njengamanje uyazisho ukuthi yena u-open to any team ezofika kuyena. Yabo especially kulama team amakhulu uthi ayikho i-team enkulu esafikile kuyena. Yabo uzi-offerishe yena bafethu so I don't know why i-Kaizer bafethu is leaping on this guy bafethu. We really need a striker right now. Yabo and indaba bafethu le kaLontunjana kaCastillo, I don't know ukuthi indaba kaCastillo why beyidelay abafethu bengakayi-announce because I think kusenenkinga lapha kwi-foreign sports. Yabo kwi-foreign sports but let's hope izolunga leyo nto. Yabo and then we come to Ighodaro bafethu. We come to issue Ighodaro. Issue Ighodaro bafethu. Ighodaro right now he's training A1. He's training alone right now. Ighodaro akatraini na team, ayikho team atrain nayo. And njengamanje kubuke engathi usase yi-player le-Sundowns bafethu. Usase yi-player le-Sundowns. Mawuthi uyakhumbula Ighodaro bafethu wasayina 5-year contract bafethu with iMamelodi Sundowns which was 2021. Wasayina 5-year contract. Lo kusho ukuthi i-contract yakhe iphela ngo-2026. So umbuzo esingayibuza wona ukuthi i-Kaizer ke izomkhipha yini kwi-contract. That's the question. Izomkhipha yini kwi-contract i-Kaizer Chiefs u-Ighodaro. Esho ngokwazi kwami I don't see i-Kaizer bafethu. But then ngokuzwa kwami isamchase u-Ighodaro. Yabo isamchase u-Ighodaro, isamfuna u-Ighodaro. Yabo but then I see ama-chances emancane bafethu ngokwami. Ighodaro is a good striker bafethu and I don't think i-Sundowns iyamdinga right now. Yabo I don't think because ishilo nayathi yeni uKhadoso wathi uyawa-offload ama-player right now. Ama-players abangawadingi uyawa-offload right now. Njengoba sibona oShalulile bengadlali. Yabo oShalulile no-Ribeiro. I don't think i-Kaizer iMamelodi Sundowns ingalahla uShalulile mase ibuyisa u-Ighodaro. Angiboni kanjalo. I think no-Ighodaro bafethu kungenzeka imchithe. So kule strikers o2 bafethu I think u-Ighodaro one-chance yokuthi aze kwi-Kaizer. Which is that uZachmovic bafethu I'm not sure but uyisho lo yena. Yabo wathi yena he's open to any team. Yabo so bafethu sekukobhobi ke bafethu kokomtaung ukuthi benze njani. Otherwise umjida bafethu uyi-offerile yena. We really need this striker bafethu. I know right now sine-striker eningi. I think mangaphosisi zu5 right now. Mangibala u-Ighodaro zu6 which is uMorris, uDuba, lo mfana lo mthathele i-DDC uHlongwane, kube uDupree, yabo. Bese kuzoba Flavio Silva, yabo. Zo-5 i-track esinazo. U-Ighodaro mawuthi ngiyambala uba u-6. So this player from Test Galaxy bafethu, yo, mancane ama-chances, but asazi right now. Let's just wait and see management bafethu ukuthi yenze njani, but nje to be honest, we really need this player bafethu. Qiniso lihle. We need i-striker bafethu. We need i-striker esinjengalesi. Otherwise, see you next time bafethu. Ikhosi alipheli moya. Cela ungakhohlwa mfethu ukusubscribe laphana. Sinyuse bafethu i-page. Ngiyayicelela bafethu. Otherwise, ikhosi alipheli moya bafethu.